Teresa here over at beautiful downtown Junction City Guaranty RV. I'm here to show you this great little Navion Mercedes engine 24-foot long Class C, and the model on this floor plan is J, as in Junction City. So what I'll start with is the outside, show you a little bit about the storage. You've got some great lighting here. The safety features on this are amazing. You've got your side view cameras, a rear camera, and both doors are accessed for easy in and out, as in a Class A normally that's just a coach access through the passenger side. So that's what's nice about a Class C. In these little Navions, you're going to have an overhead bed. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the inside features. As you can see, coming on in here, this one's fresh from the factory. We haven't gotten it unwrapped from all of the wrappings, so if you want something that's brand new and never been touched, this would be the one to come look at. The cabin here gives you some awesome area for driving convenience, comfort, and visibility. You've got a nice big navigation screen. The chairs turn around to become part of your dining experience when your guests are over. This table will turn, and the seats do come up to make extra seating for guests. You'll notice lots of storage in this unit all across the sides and in the kitchen. This model will give you a nice sprayer feature with a double sink. Also has ample storage for larger items and a nice compact 2-burner gas stove and drawer space. Pretty decent depth on those. It's got mood lighting. You can dim these lights in here. You've got an air conditioner, plenty of power for this small unit. Your working center, 2-door refrigerator, about 6 cubic feet, and your great little corner bed is still unpacked, 2 televisions, an extra little cubby hole. You could make a pantry or hanging closet, and your convection microwave oven above. A nice little area. Some people really like the outside of the bathroom sink. That way it's really easy for 2 people to work and take care of everything they need to do while somebody's taking a shower. Beautiful porcelain toilet and a nice large shower space. We'll go outside and take a look at some of that storage area I was talking about. Right here where your camping area will be. Your awning is out. You got plenty of room to keep your chairs and your camp stove. You'll have in here your 3600 generator. Watch out for the mud. And a nice another plastic lined if you did need to keep iced things or wet things in there. Also, you've got some great access underneath the bed area. Nice big storage unit. Some people like to keep extra groceries in there that they don't want to crowd the kitchen with, or just extra bedding sometimes. Coming around the back, you've got access to the roof with this rear ladder and another rear camera. The driving side of the Navion is going to be your access to the hoses, your electrical, your sewer, everything you need on this side of the rig. More storage underneath the awning or the slide out. And your door locks up. Your gas tank is right in here, and it just makes it really nice to feel like you're not going to lose any gas anywhere down the road. If you have any more questions about this great looking unit, give me a call. I'm Teresa here at Guaranty RV, or I have a email address below that you can reach me at, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.